to get this ferry this morning, because if we don't get this ferry, then we might not have a chance to go to Orkney because the storm's coming in. So that's why we got up at 6 a.m. to go and try and barter our way into a ticket on a sold out ferry.
Yeah, I'm on a boat. It's a different song, but it's the same. I tried. Oh, boarding that ferry to Orkney was terrifying. How windy it was and trying to get the bikes on. Apparently it wasn't the worst it's ever been. This is my first time on Orkney, so I'm just excited.
We finally made the ferry across to Orkney, although by the time we arrived I still felt horrendously seasick. So before doing anything else, our first priority was finding coffee, sitting down and convincing ourselves that the floor had finally stopped moving. The original plan for the day was actually pretty simple. Drop our bags off, head out to see the puffins and finally explore Orkney properly for the first time. And somehow through the chaos of the internet, a biker called Sarah and her partner Neil had offered to let us stay at their house for free, which was incredibly generous. Aside from one small unusual detail. They weren't actually home yet. Instead, they sent us a message saying, just let yourselves in, the dog's friendly, which sounds completely normal, until you're standing outside a stranger's house, wondering if you're about to be arrested for trespassing.
She said she's walking up now, this is the right place. She said we can go inside if we want to, I'm just making sure it's the right house. She said there's a dog in there and a cat. We are walking into a random person's house. No, she's not random. She's we know her. Well, we've not met her before. She reached out to us on Facebook and said that we could stay with her if we come by Orkney. So we're here. She's not, but she said that we can just walk straight in. So we're gonna try that, and hopefully this is her house. I thought she just left the house open for us. I can't believe we're just walking into someone's house. Where do we go? Yeah, maybe we should take our shoes off. She said we should go in, get a cup of tea. Okay. I'm not sure what the protocol is. Walking into someone's house you don't know.
Just one problem, there's no dog.
There is no dog. You're right. We were warned that there was a dog and no dog has came to warn us.
Are we sure we're in the right house?
Yeah.
There's no dog.
This is so funny, isn't it?
By this point in the trip, walking into Sarah's house felt a bit like a fever dream. And it wasn't because we were potentially trespassing. It was because en route here we had something quite awful happen.
Medicked him back to health until the ambulance got there, and she gave him painkillers and made everything okay, sunshines and daisies. And while Saffy was doing that, I was looking after the bikes and I was also guiding the cars on the road. I don't know if you've seen me doing that, Saffy. Did you see me? So yeah, that was we've been on Orkney for we've not even left the frickin' ferry port. We've not even got a mile away from the ferry port and we've been on Orkney for 4 hours.
And eventually the ambulance did show up, and so we took this as our time to leave.
Where were we?
Puffin and Orkney chasing, I guess.
Oh yeah, puffins. Puffins.
Nice, the other day you just rolled a 20 medic.
Oh yeah, I know.
You just did a 20 medic. Yeah.
Never a drama-free day, eh?
I know, right? What actually happened?
A car hit him and he bounced off the bonnet. Whoever said life on Orkney was slow, I swear to God.
Yeah.
And eventually our mysterious hosts, Sarah and Neil, finally made an appearance.
Go, 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 go.
Right, we're here in a field on Orkney with Sarah and Neil, and today we're planting trees.
Well aware of the notion that no trees exist on Orkney, but as far as we've read up, trees were all over Orkney. They've been removed, which is their barrier to being reintroduced because there's very little wind protection.
All right, let's plant some trees. Where would you like us to plant them?
I tell you what, I've never been so happy for a balaclava. So what am I, how does this,
At the moment.
okay, are we just like digging it with our hands?
So, I mean,
Like that?
yep, and I've got gloves, so I'll be.
It's funny because my middle name is actually Cedar, which is a tree. Yeah. Does it go around the tree?
Yeah, so.
And then does it go in?
This is at this side, and when you put.
We're covered in mud, you and I.
It's so funny.
And our trees are going to be next to each other. And they're going to be there long after we die.
Something got morbid.
After spending the afternoon planting trees, I learned a very valuable lesson. Don't fly your drone on Orkney. It is far too windy.
I think they've got the drone up, or at least they're trying to. Probably shouldn't look that. I imagine they're expensive. Oh, the drone is up. Yeah, it is.
And there we stood, watching my drone getting sucked into the ocean, not being able to do anything about it.
I had to put my All right, sun's going down. I want to get the. It's so cold. Windy over here.
He doesn't think it would eventually come to shore. I hope.
It's very windy, isn't it?
Oh my god. Oh my god, that was so close.
Laura, this is a dangerous game.
I internally was breaking down when I watched my drone start flying towards the ocean.
I know, you panicked so much.
Really? Because I felt like I was hiding it really well.
No, I was literally staying so calm. I was like, if I show any
That was
signs of
me
emotion-
staying calm.
If I show any signs of emotion, it's going to set Saffy off.
Literally. Literally. My anxiety was through the
I
roof.
feel like you save yourself.
How much did you just to brick? I wish I was recording that.
Don't worry.
About a drone.
All right, well, maybe we should ride into Kirkwall. That was.
Okay, should we take the bikes?
Yeah.
And we'll just unload them.
All right.
Because then we've got freedom, don't we? And we don't have to.
Yeah. And then we'll
Nice.
see where we end up. Tonight, maybe we could have a drink with Darren.
Yeah, I think that's a good shout.
Since they're hosting us.
Yes, yes.
Nice, which is really nice, isn't it? 2 nights for everyone.
Oh my god, yes.
Hell yeah.
I didn't want to impose, but when she offered, I was like, ooh!
Yeah.
Oh, look at the square waves though.
So Laura and I are back on our way into town to go to the arcade and also to purchase some duct tape because my shoes are falling apart from the Scottish weather. Turns out having soggy wet feet for nearly 2 weeks straight will in fact ruin your shoes.
I can't believe your shoes got gangrene before your feet did.
I've got feet of steel, mate. A little bit of water didn't scare me.
Should we go for an Indian?
No, I don't like Indian food. I know, you'd think with a name like Saffron, but... So Laura and I just went and got a chippy, and it was possibly the biggest chippy ever. I don't know if that was meant to be a small portion, but it was definitely not a small portion.
Oh, sure.
So now we're going to play arcade games.
So it turns out that Saffy is an absolute animal at these machines, and she got me a
Just requires a little bit of an addiction problem.
It's definitely an addiction. You don't want to know how much we spent on these. Oh! No way! No way! No way! Oh my god! You were stacking them up! Holy shit! You beat me! You actually got Charmander! Alright, I can't believe you just won that!
I am the crane.
queen.
Right, my turn. So we're currently trying to win Buggy from the machine because he's one of my favourite One Piece characters. Finally. Finally.
Go on, what have you got? Yay! I feel like this machine.
Maybe quite done. I just want to sleep.
She just wants to sleep.
It's 2:30 in the morning.
What did you say? Do you need to go to the dentist?
I don't.
What time did you say it was?
It's 2:30.
Your tooth's hurty.
2:30.
You need to go to the dentist.
Please let me sleep. I'm so tired. Please. Why are you so weird?
I don't know. I just go with the vibes. Whatever the vibes is, I do the vibes.
But the vibes is now sleep time.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to sleep now. But the vibes earlier were howling at the moon, so I howled
But
at the
now
moon.
they are sleep.
Did you howl at the moon?
I did not.
But
Can you, for God's sake, get that phone out? What are you doing? Laura, let me sleep. For God's sake.
she wants to sleep.
Go brush your teeth, you absolute monster.